Hello everyone, I'm Kenji Eli Advincula from grade 4 Danlin. Today, we are going to do an egg experiment that teach us something about density. Let's get started. We need 2 glasses and fill it with water. Then, put 1 tablespoon of salt into one of the glasses. Put 1 egg on each glasses and observe. As you can see, the regular water made the egg sink at the bottom of the glass, while the other glass with salt and water, the egg floats. How does it work? It is because of the density of water. What is density? It is the degree of the consistency measured by the quantity of mass per volume. In simple terms, it is how much stuff in a given volume. The egg sinks in a regular water because the egg density is greater than the water. But when you add salt, it increases the density of water, making the egg float. I hope you learned something today about science. Bye-bye!